Shopee page. Oh guys, gue bakal ngerafin rambutnya Bro Michael from Egypt.
Hello. What's up, people?
Yeah.
What do you call your fans?
Yeah.
Do you have a name for your fans?
RBKGIMBAL.
RBK. RBK people come to
RBK
come to
dreadlocks.
RBK.
Yeah.
Fix your hair.
Yeah, you like to go by Angkot. The name is Angkot.
Angkot.
Angkot, yeah.
Yeah.
The car is the name Angkot.
I like it.
Ngapain, Bik? Oh, beli minum. Okay. Why the drink?
How much is it?
Just pay. You pay.
No, it's fine. How much is it?
2,000.
Two?
Yeah, 2,000. Oh guys, dia udah masuk di gang gue ya. Jadi kalau orang bule itu seneng banget masuk-masuk yang kayak gini ya. Ini orang ini. Oh, this is the guy. Hello. He want to fix the dreads, yeah. Bro, Michael.
Yeah.
What's your name?
We're Michael.
Michael.
You can call me MJ.
Yeah, Michael. Oh, okay. And I will make his dreads to be good. So you don't forget to like, comment, and share. Yes.
That's good that you make this.
I think not so good. My brother, his name is Michael.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scar.
Oh yes, di video gua kali ini gua bakal ngerapin rambutnya Bro Michael. Yeah, Bro Michael from
Egypt.
From
Yes,
Egypt, Mesir
sir.
ya.
Mesir, that's how you say it?
Ya,
Mesir.
Mesir ya, dari Mesir dia, dari Egypt. Ya, jadi thank you buat Bro Michael.
Yeah,
Ya, Michael udah percaya sama RBK Dreadlock ya. Jadi thank you buat kalian semua. Lihat hasilnya kayak gimana ya. Nanti gue bakal bikin sebagus mungkin. I will do the best for you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I trust you.
Yeah. Thank you
Alright.
for trusting me. Yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hand me a drink, cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars, crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
Oke guys, dan itu dia hasilnya gue ngerapiin rambutnya Bro Michael dari Egypt alias Mesir, Cairo. Dan kita harus tahu ya, dan kalian juga harus tahu gimana pendapat dia tentang pengerjaan gue RBK dan my bro Kevin di belakang kamera.
I know. I love the.
Yeah, what about you about my work?
I love it. I honestly love it. It was long session, but I think you did a great job. Thumbs up.
Yes.
I just want to know the name of your brother.
Bro Kevin.
Bro Kevin.
Kevin. Yeah.
Kevin. An RBK. That's good.
Yeah, thank you.
It's
Thank you, bro,
really
Mike.
good job. Yeah. I love it.
And in Arabic.
How do you say in Arabic? Oh man.
No problem.
It's been a long time.
Call.
شغل كويس بقوس.
Jamil.
I love it. Yeah. You never had anybody from Egypt before. On your first customer.
Ya, jadi dia tuh customer pertama gue yang dari Eropa, yang maksudnya Egypt, karena sebelumnya kan dari Prancis, Afrika, Amerika, Rusia, dan ini yang pertama kali loh. Klien gue dari Egypt.
I feel special.
Maksudnya ini tamu besar gue.
Thank you.
My big guys.
Yeah.
And now he's my friend.
We are your friends.
And talk with Indonesia.
Indonesian are so good.
You say in bahasa.
I only know.
Okay.
Yeah. What else? I know. What did I tell you before? I forgot. Siapa namamu?
Oh yeah.
Siapa namamu?
Okay.
See, it's like we have Bahasa, we have English, we have Arabic, everything.
Yeah. Yang tadi Arabic juga, karena gue sedikit bisa, tapi sedikitnya banyak kayak dia. Jago banget sih pokoknya. Bahasa Inggrisnya juga bagus. Pokoknya thank you banget buat kalian semua yang udah nonton, dan jangan lupa di like, comment, and share ke teman-teman kalian. Dan thank you juga buat Bro Michael yang udah mau datang ke RBK bersama RBK buat ngerapin rambutnya ya. Dan Bro Kevin juga ngerapin rambutnya, dan dia senang sekali. He looks happy and jazakallah ya.
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much.
Syukran.
Syukran.
Okay, say salam dreadlock Indonesia. Together.
Salam dreadlocks in Indonesia.
1, 2, 3.
Salam dreadlocks Indonesia.
Yeah.